Welcome to all of you. Okay, in the last period, we are discussing about the life processes. Okay, means what important role about the molecular processes, the molecular reactions, those are carry in the our life. What is the effect of that molecular reactions? Okay, on our body or on the human being. Okay, that all things are most important. Okay, in this period we are discussing about the means the molecular reactions or the molecular structure, those are effect on our body. Okay, that is the means molecular when our body is in rest position. Okay, the reaction also carrying. Okay, the reaction needs energy. Okay, reaction needs energy, and that energy comes from which source? Okay, this is the first questions, means that much questions here. Okay, check it, that questions, which are the raw materials we are taking in the body, which things we are taking in the body, means whether there is a one chemical reaction is in the body, that reaction needs some chemicals. Okay, without chemical reaction it's not a cause. Okay, means those reaction needs some chemicals in the body, and that chemicals comes from the which source? That is the one question, means the energy, the reaction need energy, that energy comes from which source? Means that all questions, the one and only one answer is that, and that answer is a nutrition. Okay, here nutrition. Okay, nutrition means the energy producing substances. Okay, directly we are called energy producing substances. Why they are energy producing substances? Because of the main source of energy is food. Okay, here, and we are focusing toward the nutrition. When we walk or ride a bicycle, we are using up energy. Even when we are not doing any apparent activity, energy is needed to maintain a state of order in our body. We also need materials from outside in order to grow, develop, synthesis, protein, and other substances needed in the body. This source of energy and material is the food we eat. Okay, means those energy is needed, those activity are a carry in body, and that overall activity, that overall energy need which things? Protein. Whether our body is growing, body needs some substances to grow. Okay, whether our some development is done in our body, that need some developing substances, some synthesizing proteins in our body. Okay, that are the most important, and that are the most important thing, and that cause due to the food. Okay, means the source of energy and materials is the food those we eat. Okay, means whether we are eating a toxic substances, which types of effect on your body? When we are intaking the healthy food, which types of effect on your body? When we are intaking vegetables, means those substances, as substances we are eating as type of substances, and those types of the effect on our body. Okay, like here How do living things get their foods? Okay, most important. How do living things get their food? The general requirement for energy and materials is common in all organisms, but it is fulfilled in a different ways. Okay, means a general requirement of our body is a common everywhere. Okay, but it is a fulfilled by different ways. Means whether we are observing the coastal area, okay, there is also different sources of energy. When we are observing rural areas or in desert area, there is a different sources of the food. In plateau, there is also different sources of the food. Means as means a different. Here the one line is the most important. Our requirements of for energy, okay, and materials is common everywhere, but the fulfilling ways are different. Some organisms use a simple food material obtained from inorganic source in the form of carbon dioxide and water. Means here we are taking organic or inorganic substances. Okay, organic substances, sorry, inorganic source in the form of carbon dioxide, inorganic substances, carbon dioxide and water. Uh, these 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 organisms, the autotrophs, include a green plant and some bacteria. Autotrophic, okay, heterotrophic and autotrophic. Autotrophic means those organisms producing their food by own. Okay, means plants, they are not dependent on the others. Okay, paha plant हे autotrophic. Auto means self. Okay, tropic means फूड प्रोड्युसर्स. ओके, जे स्वतः फूड प्रोड्यूस करतात ते हेटरोट्रोप्स. हेटरोट्रोप्स मीन्स दे आर डिपेंडेड on the others. Okay, here the organisms, here some plant and maximum overall plant, green plant and the some bacteria, other organism until complex substances. Okay, the complex substances have to be broken down into a simpler ones before they can be used for the upkeep and growth of the body. Okay, to achieve this, organisms use biocatalyst called enzymes. Enzymes, catalyst. What is mean catalyst are those substances which enhance the rate of reactions. Okay, they does not take part in the reactions, only increasing the rate of reaction. That is the definition of the catalyst. Biocatalyst means what? The bio means life. Okay, catalyst means increasing the rate of reactions. Okay, yes, here biocatalyst, they are called enzymes. Thus the heterotrophs survival depend directly or indirectly on the autotrophs. All heterotrophs are dependent on the directly or indirectly on the autotrophs. Heterotrophic organism include animals and fungi. Heterotrophs, we know the animals. Okay, how do living things get their food? How do living means how do human being, how do you, okay, get your food? तुम्हाला तुमचं अन्न कसं मिळतं? ठीक आहे, कसं मिळतं? You are totally dependent on the plants. Okay, you are heterotrophs, you are totally dependent on the autotrophs. Okay, that's why we are a heterotrophs, plants are autotrophs. Plant कोणावर डिपेंड आहेत का? No, they are not dependent on the others. Only human being and animals are totally dependent on the autotrophic organisms. Okay, here, and that is the our needs. Okay, and autotrophic nutrition. Okay, that we will continue in a next period. Okay, thank you.